everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something different. I brought a ring light, a phone holder for my cooking videos, and honestly I struggled to put it together, so I decided to show you how to set it up step by step. These are all the parts that they came in the box: a tripod, the phone holder, the ring light, screw, and remote. Opening the tripod legs, make sure the legs are fully open and stable. You can also adjust the height depending on what you're filming. Now take the ring light and connect it to the top. Adding the phone holder, at first I was confused about this part, so as you can see, we do have two phone holders here. This one is adjustable. Also, you have one here. Now the setup is complete. I'm really happy with how this turned out. Good lighting makes such a big difference. So let's turn on the light. There you go. You can change the brightness of the light and color. Look at the difference with the light and without the ring light. It really improved the quality for cooking videos. I prefer a soft white light because it makes the food look natural. If you are starting a YouTube channel or filming cooking videos at home, I hope this video helps you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more cooking videos.